Good morning. Nature's Breeze handcrafted bath and body products, all natural, made here in USA. We have you in mind. Every product is made with love. Everything is all natural, good for your skin. So today we're going to mold our cupcake soap. We did it in two different kind of molds. This one is the cupcake mold. So let's see how it looks. These are very good for your skin. They are all natural. They are good for gifts, for party giveaways. See? It's beautiful. Everything you see is soap and it's all natural, from handcrafted, all handcrafted from nature's grace. So we use two different kind of molds. This one is another kind of mold. See how it looks? It's beautiful, gorgeous. The only thing perfect is nature. Everything is all natural. It's beautiful, it's all natural, all soap. Give them to your loved ones. Give away in your parties. It's all good, guys. Nature's Breeze handcrafted. It's our cupcake soaps. Very good. Yeah, let's see how this one looks. It's beautiful, gorgeous, all natural, homemade. This is another one in a cupcake cup. Gorgeous, beautiful, good for your skin, good for gifts. This one is a different color inside. Very good for your skin. Beautiful hand and handmade cupcake soaps by Nature's Breeze handcrafted. Stay with nature. Thank you.